To support us, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your support makes us happy. This is local support. This point is local support. This area is local support. Back price. Back price. Local support. This point is local support. Back price. Design local support. Design local support. Back price. Next candle. Next candle. Next candle. Next candle. Next candle. Back price. This is candlestick. Return candle. This candle is the return candle. Local resistance. This point is local resistance. The next resistance is profit. The next resistance is profit. Stop loss. This is the stop loss point. This is stop loss. This point open position. Open position. This point open position. Open position. Profit. Next candle. Next candle. Next candle. Next candle. Next candle. This point is profit. Profit. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you very much for watching this video. To support us, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your support makes us happy.